Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we all are here to have the chapter algebraic expression, and on that we are going to discuss the subtraction part. Although we have, if you all remember, yesterday we have done addition and subtraction both, but you must be remembering we did the questions of subtraction in a normal way. Okay? Like randomly how can we subtract? But today we will be doing the question which is word problem based also. Okay? Like you have seen in NCERT exercise 12.2, there are some question like fourth number, fifth and sixth, which is very important. From this exercise, kuch I na aaye, but these three questions will definitely come. Okay, which is very important. So let's begin now. I'm going to start the question from exercise 12.2, question number 3. Let me tell you first subtraction part. I think if you must be remembering, if I tell you subtract 5 from 10, what you do? You do 5 minus 10 or you do 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5, okay. And if I write this, you know this difference, okay? Absolutely. The number which comes, like this sentence says that subtract 5 from 10, मतलब 10 में से subtract करना है किसको? 5 को. ये वाला sentence ये बोलता है, ठीक है? And ये वाला sentence बोलता है कि 10 subtract करना है आपको 5 में से. It means sentence से आपको clear है? यही same चीज बेटा काम करती है expression पे भी, ठीक है? आपने देखा होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में जो सेंटेंस लिखा हुआ है वो दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्ट. The first heading is written, you have to subtract. Now what you have to subtract, that I am taking one example from the book. Yes, 6xy from minus 12xy. 6xy from minus 12xy. Right now I am taking a question which is monomial, okay, which is very simple. Now with the help of this I'll explain you the question which is little bit tough, okay. सबसे पहले you are knowing this number will come first, so let us write this 12xy. I hope it is clear till here. Now without doing anything, just have the bracket. Remember, always put the bracket in both the expressions, ठीक है. ये मैं अपने एडिशन में आपको बोल रही हूँ कि ये हमेशा एक सेफगार्ड की तरह काम करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको पता है हम सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं और सब्ट्रैक्शन में एक साइन किसका होता है? नेगेटिव का, ठीक है. सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन ही नेगेटिव होता है. प्लस अगर आपके एक्सप्रेशन में भी साइन आ गया नेगेटिव का तो यहाँ दो नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे, which will create doubts, ठीक है. So that is why for the safe side we will have the bracket in both the terms. Clear? ये हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म. नाउ यू आर नोइंग वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, तो ये हो गया सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट? यू नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 6xy. सो लेट अस हैव 6xy आल्सो इन द ब्रैकेट. तो पहले ही सॉल्व करने से पहले ही ब्रैकेट लगा दो क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. ये हो गया. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट व्हिच इफ यू रिमेंबर ये वाला प्रोसेस मैंने आपको कल बताया, ठीक है. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? 12xy, ये वाला पॉजिटिव था, बाहर निकलेगा क्या हो जाएगा? ये negative. Now you are knowing both are same like term, both are negative, will be added. What should be the answer now? Minus 18xy. I hope the answer will be clear to you. ठीक है. Now let us try the same pattern of question for binomial term, ठीक है, which is little tough. I am rubbing this. Now another question I am taking, a minus b from a plus b. Now in this question the bracket is already put, ठीक है. In book the bracket is already there, so I am not answer I will be discussing now, ठीक है. So now it is written from what is written here? A plus b. So let's put first a plus b. Clear? What we are doing? Subtraction. So the sign of minus. Now what you need to subtract? A minus b. So I am putting a minus b. If your this step is clear, your whole answer would be clear. ठीक है? Now let's open the bracket. You are knowing a plus b will remain a plus b only. ये वाला minus sign जब इसके अंदर जाएगा तो every sign will become change. So a was positive, will become negative. B was negative, will become positive. Now I think clear. Plus a minus a, both are same thing, written with opposite sign, can cancel each other. ठीक है? Plus b, which will give you 2b. Natik has already given this answer 2b. ठीक है? Clear now? Note it down this one. Now I am giving you one question to try. Now I am taking question number 3rd, 4th. Little bit changed question because it is having the bracket. Not so much of changes, only bracket is there. ठीक है? It is written a b minus 5 in the bracket. Then it is written here from. Then it is written b 5 minus a. Always remember this type of question or any type of question. If you have bracket, our first priority becomes the bracket only. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहला step bracket को ही solve करते हैं. ठीक है? So bracket को solve करोगे, that means you are using distributive property. If you remember, I taught you when we were doing class 6 also and class 7th में भी था आपके first chapter पे distributive property. ठीक है? So what we will do here, this a will get multiplied with b also and a will get multiplied with 5 also. ठीक है? The same way यहाँ पर भी b will get multiplied with 5 also and b will get multiplied with a also because it is written outside the bracket. ठीक है? So let's open the bracket now. A with b, what will come? AB minus will be minus. A with 5, it will give you 5a. Don't write a5. We write 5a. आपको याद होगा हमने 6 में बताया भी था आपको. We don't write a5. We write 5a. Numerical term comes in front. Now this is done. Let us have again the bracket. Then हो गया यहाँ पे from. Then b with 5, 5b. A with b, what will come? AB with negative sign because minus sign was there. This step is clear to everybody. Now let's perform the subtraction part which was asked in the question. So सबसे पहले ये from वाला आएगा, that is 5b minus ab. Now you are doing subtraction, so the sign of minus. Then you will have this next one, that is ab minus 5a. Now open the bracket as we were supposed to do. So this is 5b minus ab. Then this will give you minus ab and this will give you plus 5a. Clear? Now this minus ab and this minus ab, what it will give you? Cancel nahi. It is minus again. So minus 2ab. Okay? This is 5b will not be solved, 5a will not be solved because every term is unlike. हाँ, you can take it out, but you are doing it in a simplification manner, no? तो bracket लगा दोगे तो फिर वो एक step और आगे चला जाएगा ना? Simplified में हमेशा हम उस step तक solve करते हैं जब उसके बाद उसको आगे solve ना किया जा सके, ठीक है? चलो, I hope it is clear, Shrishti. You were asking this question, beta. First, you tell me which part you have not understood. Then that part I will explain it again. सबसे first I have opened the bracket and bracket is always open with the help of distributive property. That means if it is number which is written outside the bracket will get multiplied with both the terms which is written inside. So a with multiplied with b which will give you ab, a with 5 which will give you 5a, b with 5 it will give you b5 or sorry 5b, and then a with b it will give you ab. I have multiplied this. And after this, I have performed only subtraction, which was asked, which I have already explained you how to do subtraction, beta. Only this part is different. Rest of the things are exactly same, which we have already done. Okay. Now I am giving you one more question, which is related to a word problem based question. Okay. Write it down, everybody who are online and offline, everyone. Subtract. Good morning, ma'am. So students, I gave you this question. There, the question was related to little bit about the word problem. So what you need to do is just relate it the same pattern. It is written subtract this one from this one. It's just similar like that only. Okay. So first, what term you will write it down? This expression, and then this expression. So you will have 36a minus 16b plus 15c minus 5a plus 3b minus 8c. Now simply open the bracket. It will give you 36a minus 16b plus 15c minus 5a minus 3b plus 8c. Till here everybody has done correct? Now let's solve the steps. 36a minus 5a. What will come? 31a minus 16b minus 3b. What it will give you? Minus 19b plus 15c plus 8c. What it will give you? Answer is correct. Okay. Chalo. Now little bit more complex word problem. Okay. Now write it down. Subtract the sum of. I am writing this word problem. You note it down on your copy. Subtract the sum of x square plus 6xy minus 3y square and 5y square minus 6xy from the sum of 8x square plus 3xy minus 11y square and 16x square minus 3xy plus 11y square. Now, if you see this question properly, you will find there are three main steps here. Which three main steps? The question is saying कि आपको subtraction तो करना है, but दोनों ही subtraction complex हैं. कैसे complex? First, it is written subtract the sum of this, and then from the sum of that. It means सबसे पहला step होना चाहिए बेटा इन दोनों का sum अलग solve कर लो, साइड में कहीं पर एक साथ सब कुछ मत करना, ठीक है? इन दोनों का sum निकालिए, अलग रख लीजिए. इन दोनों का सम निकालिए और अलग रख लीजिए. पहला ये काम करिए और मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज द आंसर कमिंग, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस द लास्ट स्टेप. फाइन. So remember student, I gave you this question. Understand only this one. This will be last question for us. Now what we will do? सबसे first we will add this to. Then we will add this to what we will get. This is x square. There is no x square term there. So we will simply have only x square. This is plus 6xy and this is minus 6xy. Will it cancel? Okay. Now what will be left? Only minus 3y square and this is plus 5y square. What will give you? Plus 2y square. Now after adding, we will only get this after solving these two terms. Okay. Now let us solve this two now for next further solution. What we will have, this is 8x square, this is minus 16x square. What it will give you? Minus 8x square. Now this is minus 3xy, this is plus 3xy. Will it cancel? It will cancel, no, because it is in minus, it is in plus. Then plus 11y square minus 11y square. What it will get? It will also cancel. Now we will only have this. मतलब solution करने के बाद we have only got this, that subtract this from this. यही क्वेश्चन था हमारा, ठीक है? Now simple step. First we will have this one minus 8x square. Then subtraction means subtraction sign, and then we will subtract this one x square plus 2y square. Now let us open the bracket so that we will get the solution in a proper way. So it will be minus 8x square minus x square minus 2y square. Now let me tell me the answer. Minus 9x square minus 2y square. This is the final answer. Now I believe exercise 12.2 is completely done. ठीक है?